Ever wondered how to make money on YouTube without spending a dime? Well, you're not alone. Each day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube, and behind each one is a creator looking for ways to monetize their content. YouTube, the world's largest video platform, provides a vast ocean of opportunities to earn money. But it's not as simple as just uploading a video and waiting for the cash to roll in. It requires dedication, creativity, and consistency. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process. We'll discuss how to create a YouTube channel that stands out, how to craft engaging content that draws viewers in, how to build an audience that keeps coming back for more, and finally, how to monetize your channel to start earning money. Ready to dive into the world of YouTube monetization? Stay tuned. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. This is your platform, your stage, your canvas, and the beautiful thing is, it doesn't cost you a dime. It's as simple as having a Google account, heading over to YouTube, and clicking on Create a Channel. But hold on, before you rush in, take a moment to think about your niche. Your niche is your area of expertise, your passion, the thing you could talk about for hours on end. It's crucial to align this with your channel, as it will guide your content creation and help attract a dedicated audience. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a tech guru, or a fitness fanatic, there's a place for you on YouTube. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be unique, but your approach should be. Once you have your channel set up, it's time to start creating content. Content is king on YouTube. This sentiment has reverberated through the digital halls of this platform since its inception, and it holds true even today. The key to your success as a content creator hinges on your ability to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with viewers. Let's delve into what this means. At its core, engaging content is content that holds the viewer's attention, prompts them to interact, and keeps them coming back for more. It's content that's compelling, unique, and enjoyable to consume. It's content that speaks to your audience, that addresses their interests, their concerns, their needs. To create such content, you need to understand your value proposition. What unique value can you offer your viewers that they can't find elsewhere? Are you entertaining, informative, inspirational? Your value proposition is the unique blend of qualities, skills, and perspectives that you bring to the table. It's what sets you apart from the sea of content creators on YouTube. Once you've identified your unique value proposition, it's time to focus on delivering it consistently in every piece of content you create. Make it the guiding principle of your content strategy. Let it inform the topics you choose, the style of your videos, even the tone of your voice. But what about the technical aspect of creating videos? You might be thinking, I don't have the money for fancy editing software or high-end filming equipment, and that's okay. There are plenty of free software and apps available that can help you create stunning videos on a budget. From video editing software like Lightworks and HitFilm Express to graphic design tools like Canva, you have a host of options at your disposal. In conclusion, creating engaging content is a nuanced process. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, a clear vision of your unique value proposition, and the skills to bring your vision to life. And remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and uploading content regularly. This will help you build momentum, grow your audience, and ultimately succeed as a content creator on YouTube. You've got your content, now it's time to build your audience. Building an audience is like constructing a house. Each brick you lay down represents a viewer, and your ultimate goal is to create a structure that stands tall and strong. So, how do you lay these bricks? Firstly, consider sharing your videos on social media platforms. It's like shouting from the rooftops, letting everyone know that you've got something to say. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn can act as loudspeakers, amplifying your voice and extending your reach. Remember, the more you share, the more visibility you gain. Next, think about engaging with your viewers. Imagine this, you've just performed on stage and your audience is clapping, but instead of stepping off and leaving, you stay, you talk to them, you laugh with them, you listen to them. This is what engaging with your viewers is like. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a dialogue. It's a two-way street, and it's a surefire way to build a community around your content. Lastly, let's delve into the world of SEO, search engine optimization. It might sound intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. SEO is about making your content search-friendly. It's about using the right keywords, having clear and descriptive titles, and creating compelling thumbnails. It's like a beacon in the dark, guiding viewers to your videos. Remember, building an audience isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and passion. It might take a while, but every viewer you gain is a victory. Every comment, every share, every like is a testament to your hard work. So keep sharing, keep engaging, and keep optimizing. Let your content shine and let your audience grow. Because at the end of the day, your audience is your foundation. They are the bricks that make up your house, the fuel that keeps your engine running. Building an audience takes time, but it's an essential step in monetizing your channel. Now, let's talk about the money part. Grabbing a piece of the YouTube pie isn't as elusive as it might seem. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the primary way most creators monetize their channels. It allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. But to be eligible, there are a few requirements. Your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and a linked AdSense account. Also, your content must adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and copyright rules. However, don't put all your eggs into the YPP basket. There are other ways to monetize your channel. One such way is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your video and providing an affiliate link in the description. When your viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You help your viewers discover great products and you get rewarded for it. Sponsored videos are another excellent avenue. Brands pay you to feature their product or service in your video. The key here is to find sponsors whose products align with your content and audience. Remember, authenticity is crucial. Your audience trusts you, so only endorse products you genuinely believe in. And let's not forget crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, for instance, allow your fans to support your work directly. They pledge a certain amount per video or per month, and in return they get perks like behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, or even one-on-one chats. It's a fantastic way to build a closer connection with your audience and gain financial support at the same time. So as you can see, monetization options are not limited to ad revenue. The YouTube landscape is rich with opportunities for creators to earn a living doing what they love, but remember, building a profitable channel requires time, patience, and consistency. Monetization is the final step, but remember, it's not an overnight process. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started off by introducing the concept of YouTube monetization, underscoring the potential of this platform as a revenue stream. Then we moved on to the nuts and bolts of creating a YouTube channel, highlighting the importance of a clear, compelling channel vision. We then delved into the heart of successful YouTubing, creating engaging content. Remember, your content needs to resonate with your audience, and it should reflect your unique voice and perspective. Next, we discussed how to build an audience. You've got to promote your channel effectively, engage with your viewers, and leverage the power of social media to expand your reach. Finally, we explored the various ways you can monetize your channel, from ad revenue and channel memberships to merchandise shelf and super chat. With dedication, creativity, and consistency, it's entirely possible to make money on YouTube without spending a dime. Good luck on your YouTube journey.